Kementeri Jong Kaskarjala kepada Ru Ketong MP Jong ke NPP ke Dr. Ampareen Emlingdo mendak singi ke ong bakam ting setia gino kesengsan berthai ki bertemu penlong isu election ya kamokot uma tak seli ne ke Jingkynnoh Bamsap ya ka ha ka kam tungkam ya kino hikai ha kisnam ki mensyua apa keren skilap thai kubor ke kong Ampareen ke ong bakane kamat kadon mentah yeng Kashari nak tak ada kam kwa ban kan thoi hendai ka skam bawat kin mi bun ki Jingkynnoh ru kam ting namar ka shahi kan sajab ha ka bakut kalau orang ru bagi tu kita bertemu penlong isu election kita bentep bakat hadut mentah meneru kampat judan kena nu ke jingsak rai Pynrem ya ka bat kerong ba uno bersak kena kam be an omla ban ong ba udesha uriu be an kelempat rai Pynrem da ke yeng Kashari.
The case is now being currently heard in the courts. It would be sub judice on my part to speak about it. However, I would like to say and place on record, the case is well being heard in the courts. I have never at any point of time been convicted. Let no political party take advantage of this and make it look like I have been convicted. The truth will reign supreme. I stand by that. I will not speak more, but I am confident that the truth will emerge as it is. Do not use it, because at one point of time, there will be repercussions of all of this. I will not speak more. No man is guilty until proven otherwise. Use it, throw that ball around. I am not afraid, because I'm doing greater things. And when I go to court, I know what is being discussed, not the man on the street or the politician who will be trying to bat with that with me. I'm ready. I'll take you on.